What's up guys, Jake Hunt from Fitness Culture. Today we're gonna be going over a lower body roller routine. So this is kind of an entire lower body routine that you can get done under 5 minutes. I usually do it, honestly, I do it almost every day just because I like to do it before I hit my legs on leg day, before I get into my active warm up, just because it feels a little bit better. I feel like I can get deeper into some stretches when I do it this way. And then also, if I really kill my legs on one day, the next day I like to come in, just roll it out and get a nice stretch in, just to make sure all that broken down tissue is healing the right way. So we're gonna go through it pretty quickly, just show you how, kind of the basic version of it. I'll show you how to go through it and then add some more advanced kind of techniques to get deeper into these stretches and deeper into rolling out on the roller. I usually start on my quad for the day. So we'll set up with the roller, just straddle the roller, knee out to the side, and you can just roll through it 10 times. So it's nice and slow. It's 10 times through the muscle, just like that, all the way to the knee and then all the way up to your hip. So one way to make this kind of more advanced, you can get a stretch and roll it out at the same time. What I like to do is just grab my leg and then roll through it like that. So it's gonna make it more intense. It's kind of double duty. You're getting a great stretch and rolling it out at the same time. Then I'll go over to the lateral side of my leg and just roll through it. And for this, I don't have anything to make it more advanced, but we'll just roll through it 10 times. From there, usually get onto the glute. For this one, I'll roll back and forth a little bit, but mostly it's just gonna be a side to side. So I come on the roller here, just get side to side like that. To make this more intense, what I'll do is just pull my leg up like this and then roll through it here. Roll back and forth. So you're getting a stretch while you're rolling it out. I found that's a lot more effective this way. So once you fit your glute, you can just move onto your hamstring. So again, you'll be off to the side of the roller like this, and you can just roll through 10 passes in your hamstring. To make this more intense, what I usually do, we'll go more into a pancake stretch and just be rolling through like this on my hamstring. So it's kind of like I'm stretching, but at the same time, just gets a lot more tension into the roller. Because usually I honestly will use a PVC pipe for a roller just to get deeper into the muscle, but straddling it like this, it's gonna be a little bit more intense. All right, so once you've gone through 10 times on the hamstring, then we're gonna flip over, straddle the roller, and hit our adductors. So just gonna straddle it like this. I try to get my leg as perpendicular to my body as I can right here. Spin my knee and push back and forth. And if this isn't giving you enough pressure, you can also throw a weight just on top of your leg on this one pretty easily. Once you've done 10 passes on this one, then we move on to the calf. So usually the calf setup that I like to do is gonna be, just have your calf on the roller like this, and you're just gonna cross it up. I usually will spend a little bit of time all the way up, then all the way down my leg, just going back and forth like this, crossed over, and then I'll go through about 10 times. So you should be able to get all that done definitely under 5 minutes. It's a great way to open up. You're gonna get a little bit of stretching in during the roller routine, but it's just a good way to make sure that you're hitting all your bases every day when you come in. And honestly, we just had people asking kind of what should I do when I roll out. So we wanted to give you guys a full routine for the lower body. All right guys, that wraps it up for our lower body roller routine. So like I said before, this is something you can just get in, get done quickly before you get into your stretching or your active warm up for the day. Hopefully it'll help you open up a little bit more. And if you didn't know how to use the roller for your lower body, hopefully this can help you guys out. If you like this content, please give me a comment on what you want me to cover next, and please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.